What's up, guys? Welcome back. Episode number 2. I've got a super exciting episode. I've got to do a trash run today, so that's fun. I'm gonna take you along, pick up some bags of trash around here I've been cleaning up, and then I'm probably gonna get in the garden and work on turning a new bed. So I'll take you guys along for that. Maybe do a little bit of a tour. I don't know. We'll see how we're feeling. Okay, feeling good. Welcome to Littlefoot. You gotta excuse the mess in the barn. It's pretty lit. We'll get in here at some point. Around here when we moved in. We bought our house a year ago, so I wanted a way to little garden, different view. Gotta have a way to drive around the property, right? Oop, found one. Ching. The local landfill charges like $1 per bag, and we usually only have to go once a month. So like 5 bags today. So $5 a month versus, I think the cheapest like pickup is $25 a month out here. So let's go. So we're back home. Just made the trash drop, and I'm about to go pick up eggs and bring y'all with me. And I was walking by, and look here. Missed that one, huh? probably gonna have to go back in the next week or two because I have some more trash in the garden and in the barn and the old greenhouse. Three eggs. We have 10 hens, so we usually get like 8 per day or something. We got all of our chickens in the spring, so I think they're all laying. We had to sell 3 roosters yesterday because they were supposed to be pullets, but they weren't. So that's the greenhouse that I was mentioning that is falling apart because that plastic doesn't last long at all. But I got a new piece. But I got an idea for some cattle panels to go over it to extend it. I'm gonna do that. This video is way too windy. These cantaloupes are trying to do something again. They stopped because it's been so dry and hot this year. But now we're facing all the borer bugs, vine borers. Don't even worry about the weeds and grass in the garden. It's out of control, but it's just the way it is. Try to keep up with it. So this is the row that I want to get the tiller and go till. In between the okra, this newly planted bed with lettuce, maybe cabbage, beets. So we're switching, we're in a transition time in the garden. So just want to, this was a bed, we never planted anything in it. There's actually little pieces of fabric I need to get out of there, but I want to open up more bed space. The bugs are crushing us, crushing the vines. Got to get that thing down there. This allows the wheel to spin freely so you can move it without having to run it. not realize that this was so caked up. You got to redo these pins in operation for it to drive. I hate that this cheap fabric broke up so much. I'm gonna be finding little pieces of it. kinds of little rocks and stuff out here, but this is what I'm talking about. The soil is clay, you can see it, the redness to it, but there's a good amount topsoil, and there's a lot of quartz on the property, so I think that's why we have some kind of broken up That's a cool piece. We should go check that one out. But yeah, we'll rake out some of this grass and weeds and stuff. I mean, it'll grow back, but you just got to kind of try to grow faster than it. I'll wipe this one off. I don't think Tanto will mind. The sun's not really out. I like rocks a lot too, so I pick up a lot of them and check them out and wash them off. Nerd. So that's gonna be pretty much it. I'm gonna put down probably some granular fertilizer. I think I'm gonna plant this bed in beets. Wanted a nice soft bed they can go down in. So that's it. We'll see y'all next time.